Hi there, to insert SIM card in your Poco X7 as a first step, we'll need to find the SIM tray, which is located on the bottom of the phone. So here it is. And you can see this little hole in it, right? So to open it, take this little tool which is called ejector, and it goes in a complex with a device, by the way. But if you lost it, don't worry, this is really cheap tool, you can find it almost everywhere. Or instead of this one, you can use pin, needle, but be really careful because you may damage the slot. Now let's take ejector and place it in this little hole, then slightly press till the slot will pop up like that. After that, you can take it out using your nails, or you can use ejector like I'm doing, and here it is. So if you take a close look, you'll see here space for the first SIM card, and if you flip it, you'll see space for the second SIM card. So just take a SIM card, place it either on the first slot or second, it doesn't really matter, and make sure that you place it in the right position. So just take a look. Here we got this rounded corner, as you can see, and the same we got on this SIM card. So you need to place it with chip side upwards, just like this, so the corners would match. Then press a bit so it will click in this position. And I messed up, so let's try this out one more time. I'm gonna place it here. Just press a bit so it will click, and this is how it should look. Now we need to take our phone and put the SIM tray back in the phone and make sure that those holes matches, so you can see this hole on the top and the same in the phone. And while I was showing you those holes on the SIM tray, my SIM card fell out, so I'm gonna put it back and just insert everything back in the phone and close the tray completely, just like this. And now let's unlock the phone, and after that you should see those signal bars appears in the upper right corner, and also go in your settings, choose mobile networks, and now you should see information about your first or second SIM card. You can tap it here, edit SIM card name, edit number, and you can make some adjustments. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.